Hi, good evening. This is Jason Philip Pabak, COVID 211 BSMT 2-24. Our topic is AIDS prevention for seafarers. Seafarers are vital to global trade, but their unique lifestyle presents particularly regarding HIV or AIDS. Over 38 million people worldwide are living with HIV. Seafarers are at increased risk due to limited access to healthcare, long periods away from home, and potential risky behaviors. Understanding how to prevent HIV is essential. Here are the key steps every seafarer should take. Number 1. Use protection. Always use condoms during sexual activity. This is the most effective method to prevent HIV transmission and other sexually transmitted infections. Number 2. Get tested regularly. Know your HIV status. Regular testing is crucial. It's quick, confidential, and can save lives by allowing for early intervention. Number 3. Communicate openly. Have honest conversations with your partners and sexual health. Open dialogues help build trust and ensures everyone is aware of potential risks. Number 4. Educate yourself. Stay informed about HIV and AIDS. Understanding the virus, its transmission, and prevention strategies is vital for safeguarding your health. Health resources should be readily accessible on board. Don't hesitate to ask for condoms and informational materials. Healthcare professionals on board are there to help. Seek advice on safe practices, testing options, and any concern you may have. If you test positive for HIV, it's important to know that treatment is available. Antiretroviral therapy or ART can effectively manage the virus, allowing individuals to lead healthy, active lives. Support one another. Creating a culture of healthcare and openness can help reduce stigma and encourage safe practices among your peers. Your health matters not just to you, but to your crew. By taking these steps, you contribute to a safer and healthier environment for everyone. Stay informed, stay safe, and protect yourself and your crew. Together, we can combat HIV or AIDS and ensure a healthier future for all seafarers.